Good afternoon. Here on the 17th of April, the markets have just closed, and we had a positive day for cotton, a negative day for soybeans and corn, a little bit positive for wheat. Looking around the board at other things, it was kind of a negative day as you look around at the outside markets of financials. Starting off with July cotton up 40, closing up 40 at 78.96. A high of 79.25, a low of 78.10. Then looking over at December cotton, we closed up 52 at 77.39 with a high of 77.60 and a low of 76.66. So pretty positive day for cotton. Yesterday was an up day. Tried to sell it off early, managed to hold, firm back up, so that's a good sign. July soybeans down 8 3/4 at 8.93. The soybean market just doesn't seem to have any friends. A high of 9.04 1/4, a low of 8.92 1/2, closing not too far from the low of the day. July corn down 3/4 at 3.58 1/4, a high of 3.68 3/4, a low of 3.65 1/2. Wheat was the exception here, as it usually is. Up 2 at 4.50 1/2, a high of 4.53 3/4, and a low of 4.48 1/4. Now tomorrow will be export sales day. Expecting good numbers for cotton, expecting lackluster numbers for the grain and oilseed, as we've seen in recent weeks. Also, we have a 3-day weekend. Friday is Good Friday. We will not be open. So those things are things to keep in mind. Looking at let's see, looking at the where we're closing here today, and just a note on the December cotton. December cotton's high a few days ago, I guess last week, was 77.75. That's sort of the benchmark. If you get through that, and we close today at 77.39, we could get some more upside. So just something to keep an eye on. We'll go over a lot of things like that tomorrow morning for export sales. Have a good evening. We'll see you then.